Hello and welcome to this episode of the StackStorm Technical Deep Dive. I'm Rick Hoffman, Global TME over here at HPE Aruba Networking. Now, we're moving on. Now we have a pretty good understanding of how StackStorm works. But what if we wanted to take something out of some system and put it into ServiceNow with the ServiceNow StackStorm integration pack? I'm going to show you briefly how we get into StackStorm and set up some tables and some web services to make that happen. That's what we're covering in this episode. So let's take a look at how that all happens.
We only have one more thing we have to do to get all the foundation laid to make this thing work, and that is create a developer account over on ServiceNow so we can get access to ServiceNow instance so we can prove all this works by using StackStorm to talk to the Star Wars API, get the people information, and stuff that information into a table up here in ServiceNow. Now, this isn't too terribly difficult, and this is something cool if you're into developing, if you want to just pick this up as something to play with, but they will give you a free instance that you can fire up and use. You just need to sign up for that, and you just click sign up here, and you'll fill out this form. And when you do, they will send you an email. I'm over here. My email is stackstormdude@gmail.com. And you'll see you get an email from ServiceNow, and they're going to say, hey, verify your email. Just click on this link. And once you do, you will be directed automatically here and say, okay, you're good. StackStormDude@gmail.com. Log in. And when we log in, we're going to log in with StackStormDude@gmail.com. Next. And we'll use our password that we came up with. Okay. And we're going to sign in. And so once we sign in, we're just going to pick this. I need a developer-oriented IDE. I'm just going to pick this one. You can choose the other one if you wish. We'll just pick we're developers because we are. And we've read everything. We all agree. And we finished that up. So it says start building, right? Well, with ServiceNow, you need to have an instance. So we're going to request an instance. And it'll take them a minute to spin up that instance. Now, this isn't going to last forever. If you don't go back and use this, it goes away. But you can just log back in and build another instance.